For our project, we looked at factors that influence the success and popularity of music. We looked at the relationship between music content and the success of an artist on social media. We began our project by choosing 1,100 songs from the top 100 Billboard charts over a 10-year span. To determine success and popularity, we looked at the number of views each song had on YouTube, as well as the amount of Twitter followers and Facebook fans each artist had. We looked at each artist's age, group type, and who their song was written by. To determine the content of the song, we looked at the genre, amount of profanity used, whether the song was about a controversial topic, and whether it was objectifying to women. Before beginning our analysis, we wrote the following 10 hypotheses. Our first hypothesis predicted that the number of YouTube views of music videos would vary by the genre of music. This hypothesis was supported. YouTube views for electronic and pop music were significantly higher compared to the other genres. The number of views for the other genres did not vary significantly.
For the second hypothesis, we predicted that the group type of the artist would affect the number of Facebook fans of the artist. This hypothesis was supported. Facebook fans for songs by a solo and featuring artist was significantly higher compared to all other group types. Facebook fans for group is significantly different from solo artists.
For our third hypothesis, we predicted that the group type of the artist would affect the Twitter followers of the artist. This hypothesis was supported. Twitter followers for songs by group and featuring artists and solo and featuring artists were significantly different from group artists, but not significantly different from solo artists.
Our fourth hypothesis predicted that genre of the song would affect the amount of profanity used within the song. This hypothesis was also supported. Profanity used in hip-hop and rap is significantly different from all other genres, with the exception of reggae. There is a significant relationship between the amount of profanity use in pop, alternative, electronic, R&B and soul, rock, and country. Our fifth hypothesis predicted that the authorship of a song would affect the number of YouTube views the music video had. This hypothesis was supported. There was a significant difference between the number of YouTube views for a song written collaboratively and songs written by another artist.
Our sixth hypothesis predicted that the age of the artist would affect the authorship of the song. This hypothesis was supported. There is a significant difference between the age of artists for songs written collaboratively and songs written by another artist. The age of the artist for songs written by the artist or songs with an unknown authorship did not vary significantly.
Our seventh hypothesis predicted that the authorship of the song would affect the profanity used within the song. This hypothesis was supported. There is a significant difference in profanity use among songs written collaboratively and all other types of authorship with the exception of unknown.
Our eighth hypothesis predicted that the explicit rating of a song would affect the YouTube views of music videos. This hypothesis was not supported. This hypothesis was not supported because there were no significant relationships between YouTube views and profanity ratings.
Our ninth hypothesis predicted that controversial topics in a song would affect the song's number of YouTube views. This hypothesis was not supported. This hypothesis was not supported because there were no significant relationships between controversial topics and a song's number of views on YouTube.
Hypothesis 10 predicted that controversial topics in a song would affect the number of Facebook fans of the artist. This hypothesis was not supported. This hypothesis was not supported because there was no significant relationships between controversial topics and the number of artists' fans on Facebook.
Overall, we found that genre, group type, and authorship had an influence over the success of a song. We also found a strong relationship between genre, authorship, and the use of profanity within songs. We found various strengths and weaknesses throughout our process, but found that our hypotheses were supported for the most part.